Hey guys, my name is Brandon and I am doing a guest vlog today here on Sawyer's channel. I am going to be showing you guys how to cover redness, acne, or acne marks using concealer. I want to make this video as simple as possible because I know this tutorial is more for someone who is looking for kind of a natural look. Like, nobody is going to know that you're wearing makeup when you're using this product and this technique. And like I said, it's not going to be a huge change. It's not like we're applying a full face of foundation today or anything. It's just a little bit of background on my skin. I have suffered from acne for a long time and I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation. So sometimes it's nice to just kind of like give yourself that kind of like more put together an even skin tone. I'm going to be using the men's concealer from the brand The Others. What's really cool about this concealer too is the consistency is very nice and you only need a little bit. It goes a long way. And this also contains vitamin E, which really helps with your skin texture while you're wearing the concealer, which is really nice. Definitely starting with clean skin. I did just cleanse my skin. I do use a Lush product called Angels on Bare Skin. It's an amazing skincare product. It has a little bit of like texture to it, so it does exfoliate some of your dead skin off your face, which is really good when you are going to be wearing concealer and you definitely want to be moisturized. So I have not yet moisturized, but the moisturizer that I use is the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. This keeps me super moisturized, no fragrance or anything, just a little skincare tidbit. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply. I have a nice moisturized base and we are going to go ahead and apply the concealer. So when I'm using this, like I said, I'm not going to be using any products today. I'm going to be making this very simple. Concealer is really nice because you can blend it out with your finger. You are just going to take a little bit just to start with. That way you're not like caking it right on. So see, the consistency of this is really nice too. It's really, really smooth. So I'm just going to focus on any hyperpigmentation that I have. And I'm just going to, we want to dab, we don't want to swipe. So we're just going to dab around any problem areas. Like I said, this is just going to kind of smooth out your texture. So yes, I kind of put too much right there, but you can definitely blend this out. That's the nice thing about it, is it's very easy to blend out. So see, you can see it's not a huge change, but it's definitely like improving my texture. Improving the overall redness and color of my skin. So then I'm going to be just kind of, see, you only need a little bit and it really goes a long way. And one problem, my spot that I have is my forehead. That's usually where I break out and that's where I get redness. So I wanted to go ahead and just kind of focus on that for a minute. As you can see, I do have some leftover redness and acne, so I'm just going to kind of dab a little tiny bit on those problem spots, and then I'm going to just blend that out with my finger. And we're going to do a dab motion. We don't want to like drag it around. It's like finger painting, okay? And if you need to apply a little bit more to kind of build up the coverage, you can definitely do so. Like I said, just use a little bit at a time. So yeah, like as you can see, it's really helping the redness. I'm just gonna kind of apply to any spots. And even if you just have like one big zit and you want to cover, you just put a little bit of this on it, and like I said, it has that vitamin E in it, so it's gonna be helping your acne as well. So that was just a super quick little tutorial on how to cover any redness or acne that you may have. Definitely go check out the men's concealer on The Others website. This stuff is seriously really good. Like, I love how my skin looks right now. Like, it's not even detectable. That's the thing about, like, I look in the mirror and I'm like, wow, it just looks like my skin is all one tone. So yeah, definitely check that out. You can check out me on YouTube. The link will be down below. I do make videos as well. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.